What is payroll? A simple guide for employees and business owners. Welcome back. We all love payday. That notification on your phone that says your salary has been deposited is the best part of the month. But have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes to make that happen? What exactly is payroll, and why is it so much more than just sending a paycheck? In this video, we break down the meaning of payroll, how the process works, and the key components like gross pay, net pay, and deductions. Whether you're a new employee or a small business owner, this guide will make payroll easy to understand. That entire process is called payroll. To most, it just looks like a paycheck, but for a business, it's one of the most important and complex operations they run. Today, we are breaking down exactly what payroll is, how it's calculated, and why it matters to you. Section 1. What is payroll? The definition. At its simplest level, payroll is the list of a company's employees and the amount of money they are to be paid. However, in a business sense, payroll refers to three specific things. 1. The total amount, the sum of all wages, salaries, bonuses, and deductions paid to the entire workforce. 2. The records, the documentation of how much each person was paid, including taxes and benefits. 3. The process, the actual steps of calculating hours, withholding taxes, and distributing funds. Section 2. The anatomy of a payslip, gross versus net. To understand payroll, you have to understand the math. Let's look at your payslip. Gross pay. This is the big number at the top. It's the total amount you earned before anything was taken out. Deductions, the tax mat. This is where the company subtracts things like income tax, social security, health insurance premiums, or retirement contributions. Net pay. This is the take-home pay. This is the actual amount that hits your bank account. If your gross pay is $4,000 but you only receive $3,100, the $900 difference is the payroll withholding that the company manages on your behalf. Section 3. The payroll stages. How does a company actually run payroll? It usually happens in 4 stages. 1. Time tracking, collecting data on hours worked, overtime, and leaves, sick days, or vacation. 2. Calculations, calculating gross pay and subtracting the necessary taxes based on local laws. 3. Approval and distribution, the company verifies the numbers and sends the money via direct deposit or check. 4. Reporting, the business must report these payments to the government, like the IRS or HMRC, to prove they are paying their taxes correctly. Section 4. Why is payroll accuracy important? Why can't companies just guess the amount? Legal compliance. If a company calculates taxes incorrectly, they face massive fines from the government. Employee trust. Nothing ruins morale faster than a late or incorrect paycheck. Financial health. Payroll is often the largest expense a business has. Tracking it helps them understand their budget. Conclusion and call to action. So, that's payroll in a nutshell. It's the engine that keeps the workforce moving and ensures everyone is compensated fairly and legally. If you're a business owner, I've linked a payroll processing checklist in the description to help you stay organized. Do you prefer being paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly? Let me know your preference in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clear things up, and subscribe for more business and finance basics. See you in the next one.